Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the most exciting videos. I came up with three opportunities and I'm talking about AI, machine learning, data science, analytics and full stack development. The first company is TriNet and they are hiring associate data scientist. The second company is offering a remote data analytics internship and third one is an AI and full stack engineering internship. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will explain everything. The first one is TriNet and they are hiring associate data scientist. This is an in-office opportunity in Hyderabad and both freshers as well as candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. Now, if you are someone who is interested in machine learning, data science, AI or Gen AI, then this role is honestly one of the strongest opportunity in today's video. TriNet is leading HR technology company that provides payroll, benefits, and workforce management solutions to thousands of businesses. They use analytics and AI extensively to improve their products. They use analytics and AI extensively to improve their products, which means data scientists here work on real business problems. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Your main responsibility will be helping senior data scientists build and improve machine learning models that includes cleaning and preparing data sets, performing data analysis, creating useful features for machine learning models, validating model performance, and identifying data quality issues before the data is actually used. Apart from that, you will also get exposure to NLP and large language models. You will get exposure to NLP and large language model experimentation, which is honestly one of the biggest highlight of this opportunity. You will collaborate with experienced data scientists and engineers, debug analytical models, and document experiments properly. It's an actual data science role where you will learn the complete machine learning workflow. Now let's talk about the skills they are looking for. Their company specifically mentioned Python and R programming. They also expect knowledge of machine learning, statistics, regression, classification, clustering, forecasting, model validation, and data analysis. On top of that, if you have worked with NLP concepts or even experimented with LLMs, that becomes a huge advantage. Now coming to qualification, the company is looking for candidates with a bachelor's degree in data science, statistics, CS, mathematics, or any closely related field. If you are targeting product based companies, don't just watch random DSA playlist, you actually need a proper roadmap. That's why I recommend the DSA course from KnowledgeGate. The best part is you have two options, one in Java and another one in Python. So you can simply pick whichever language you are more comfortable with. Both courses start from language fundamentals and then gradually move into interview level DSA topics like trees, graphs, heaps, and DP. You will also solve interview level problems, get lead code solutions, and on top of that, the AI learning platform tracks your progress, identify your weak topics, and recommends what to study next so your preparation stays consistent. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The second company is Cloudback and they are hiring for the role of data analytics intern. And yes, this one is completely remote. So if you are looking for a remote internship that also pays a decent stipend, this one is definitely worth checking out. The stipend ranges from 15 to 25,000 rupees per month, which is actually quite good for data analytics internship. Now, unlike the first role, this one focuses more on practical business analytics. Here, you will work with real world data sets and help companies make better decisions using data. Your responsibility include collecting and cleaning data sets, validate data accuracy, creating dashboards using Power BI and Tableau, performing statistical analysis, identifying business trends, preparing reports, and presenting insights to stakeholders. You will also collaborate with multiple teams and help them understand what the data is actually saying. Now, you will not only improve your technical skills but also improve business communication skills. Now, let's look at the required skills. The company expects knowledge of Python, SQL, MS Excel, Power BI, Tableau, data visualization, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and database management. If you have already built dashboard projects during college or completed a few analytics courses, you will already have a good starting point for this role. Now, coming to the eligibility, undergraduate and postgraduate students can apply. Freshers with an interest in data analytics are eligible. Now, they specifically mentioned that women restarting their careers are encouraged to apply. The internship lasts for 3 months, it's fully remote, and there are 4 openings. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third company is intellinesia Labs, and they are hiring AI and full stack engineering interns. This is not one of those internships where you will just watch tutorials or fix bugs. Here you will actually work on production grade AI applications using LLMs. It's completely remote and internship offers a 15,000 rupees monthly stipend. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. You will build AI powered web applications. You will integrate models like OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, and even open source LLMs into real applications. On the front end side, you will use React.js or Next.js for backend development. You will work with Fast API or Node.js. You will also build AI agents, RAG pipelines, workflow automation systems, integrate databases and APIs, deploy application and collaborate directly with the founding engineering team. So you are basically getting exposure to full stack development plus Gen AI together. Now that's exactly where many startups are hiring for today. Now let's discuss the skills. The company wants candidates familiar with Python, JavaScript or TypeScript, React.js, Next.js, Fast API, Node.js, SQL, MongoDB, Git, and especially LLMs and prompt engineering. They have also listed tools like LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, ChromaDB, Docker, and cloud deployment as a good to have skills. So even if you are experimented with AI projects during hackathons or built something using ChatGPT APIs, Gemini APIs, or open source models, that experience can really help here. So few companies want the interns to learn the entire tech stack and want experience. So this is very unfair, I would say, for a fresher or an intern because handling all these things is not possible for anyone. And yeah, let's move on to the qualifications. Students pursuing BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA, or equivalent courses can apply, but they clearly mentioned that applicants should already have a basic understanding of AI concept and software development. So, this internship is best suited for candidates who have already built a few projects and now want hands on experience building production ready AI products. The company also offers a PP opportunity that is very good. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.